Hey everyone, how you guys doing? This is your boy Julius. I am here with the amazing Paris. Let's give it up for her, guys.
Thank you so much for having me.
Awesome,
For
awesome, awesome.
sure.
So Paris is actually a part of the BWA Academy community. She was like one of the few first that started off with the community and actually seeing the community grow and see how far we came up with the community.
I remember when you first started, it had that big jump in January. Like you
Yeah,
started in December, and January was like a couple hundred people joined that
right.
month. It was awesome to see you grow like that.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I just got a few questions for you, Paris. So,
Mhm.
what would you say from joining the community? What would you say you took away from the overall community?
Oh man, so much value. If I had to sum it up into maybe three words, I would say opportunity,
Mm-hmm.
hmm value,
Mm,
and motivation.
mm,
For one, the Monday calls are so powerful, because the way that you'll bring in, different people from different opportunities to lay out, avenues that otherwise we wouldn't have knowledge of. It's
right.
kind of one of those you have to be in the room kind of thing.
To know,
Those
right.
Monday calls put you in the room.
Right.
So I think that opportunity that the group is amazing for opportunity. Um, and then value,
Mm,
because every time I scroll through the comments, I'm finding new tidbits that I'm like, oh, that's a great takeaway. So
right.
there's plenty of those little value nuggets in there. I love that.
Right.
um and then motivation.
Yeah.
So it's so awesome to see other people win, especially when we're winning together from the beginning.
Right.
I've seen the journey
Right.
from the beginning. It's just
Right.
awesome to see, like, oh man, I knew she was gonna do, like, that's so
Right.
freaking awesome.
Right.
And so it's very motivational to see, while you're accomplishing your goals, to see your peers also hitting those goals.
That's amazing. That's amazing. That's a great,
Mm.
great, great feedback because the thing about a community, when you're moving together as a unit, you don't feel alone,
Oh yeah.
right? Especially when it comes to things like finances, because they don't teach these things in school. So a lot of the times, individuals may not know what direction to take when it comes to getting your finances in order as far as credit, leveraging the bank money to be able to start that business that you want to start. A
Right.
lot of people don't know the blueprints to be able to look good on paper so the bank could be able to give you that opportunity, give your business that
Mm-hmm.
opportunity. So being a part of a community and you seeing other people that's ahead of you that's actually making it happen, that you seeing where they started from the very beginning, and you like, wow, so it is possible,
Yeah.
right?
So motivating.
Right, super motivating because now you feel like, okay, if they can do it, I could do it,
Mhm.
right?
And it's so interesting because so many of our peers are taking different paths and avenues
Right.
based on the opportunities that are coming forth. And so it's like everybody's kind of winning in their own lane, but we're all winning
Right.
together. It's just a really awesome community. And I'm very happy to be there. So thank you for putting that together and the value that you've created here.
You are welcome. You are welcome. So I got another question for you.
Okay.
Personally, what would
Mhm.
you say you took from the community personally?
I've grown tremendously on the credit side since I've
Mm-hmm.
joined the community. I was fighting a couple of things on my personal credit that
Mm-hmm.
were a little bit tricky and a little sticky.
Mm-hmm.
And through a lot of the tips and the things that I've gathered from the community, personal conversations that we've had,
Right.
consultations and stuff, I have been able to get a 85% of those things removed.
Right. That's a huge
So
number.
yeah, the personal growth that I've seen on my credit has been astronomical.
Right, right, right.
Oh yeah.
Awesome. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it.
Mhm.
Well, want to keep this conversation short, real short and simple. So thanks a lot for your feedback.
Oh yeah,
Glad
anytime.
you are a part of the community. We trying to we aiming for the stars, but if we land in the moon, oh well, right?
Listen,
We get into
listen, good
it.
destinations.
Facts, facts, facts. So yes, once again, guys, this is Paris with her amazing, amazing feedback from being a part of the Built Wealth Academy community. And like I said, we're looking forward to keep growing, learning, getting access to the things that we want in this life.
Yes.
So let's just keep pushing. I'll see you guys at the top.